I tried Nash Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Nash Wallet app, I expected just another sleek crypto wallet. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Nash might be one of the most underrated bridges between DeFi and traditional finance. On day 1, I was struck by the clean interface. Setup was quick, and within minutes I had access to a multi-chain wallet supporting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon and more. But what really stood out was Nash's non-custodial design, meaning I, and only I, control the private keys. By day 2, I started exploring its trading features. Nash integrates a decentralized exchange directly into the wallet. You can swap tokens across multiple blockchains without giving up custody. Most people at this run, you don't need a centralized exchange to trade safely anymore. Nash proves that with style. Midweek, I connected my bank account to test fiat on ramps. This is where Nash really shines. Unlike most wallets, you can move between crypto and fiat seamlessly. The app is fully compliant and regulated in Europe, offering peace of mind that few DeFi tools can match. By day 6, I was testing security, two-factor authentication, biometric protection, and clear transparency reports made it feel trustworthy. Nash even provides live support, something rare in crypto wallets. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. Nash isn't just a wallet, it's a complete financial hub for the modern crypto user. It combines the freedom of DeFi with the reliability of traditional banking. If you've been searching for a crypto wallet that's simple, secure, and future-ready, Nash might just surprise you. It's fast, compliant, and built for real-world use, the kind of wallet that quietly makes crypto feel mainstream.